This will be our cold start and walk around video of our 1958 750 Series 1300 Veloce motor. Freshly rebuilt here at world famous Basic Motorsports recently with a mere 4 to 5 test hours on it. It has a nitrided Brown 1010 crank. It has polished beam Veloce rods with ARP rod bolts, a Wisco 1mm oversized forged pistons, and we have a lot of Gordon Raymond work. Folks that are familiar with Mr. Raymond's work know that everything that man touches is gold. So he has rebuilt the Veloce oil pump. He has rebuilt the Morelli distributor. And he has, of course, put his finishing touches on the carbs. So the carbs not only were rebuilt by Gordon, but they have also been touched by Auto Componente. Mr. Jim Steck, folks that are familiar with him know the kind of work that he turns out. He did a bunch of work to the throttle shafts. He assembled those. They're extremely tight. Folks that know, these things originally came with part metal, part aluminum, and they didn't fit well together, and after a while you lost your response. So these are extremely responsive. So lots of performance bits there. We have a 3-angle performance valve job that was done with new valves, new springs. We have an L-ring head gasket. We have the correct 750 1300 Veloce cams. We have the correct high temp coated headers. A little bit of patina on them, as you can see. Water pump has been rebuilt. So really there isn't anything that hasn't been touched on this motor. So it is a beautiful September day here in the Chicago suburbs. I'm going to show you the ground temp, and then we're going to take some engine temp readings. So on the ground, it is low 90s. It's somewhere around 75 degrees right now. And to show you, we are cold. We've got 70s readings. The aluminum tends to be a little cooler. On the header, you'll see we're in the 60s, the block, high 60s, low 70s. So this is a true cold start. So here we go. enjoyed the video.